In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Telegram login with email problem. Telegram normally signs you in using your phone number and then sends a code by SMS or directly through Telegram. So if you're trying to log in with email and it isn't working, the first thing to understand is that email is not the main login method. In most cases, email is only used for two-step verification or account recovery. That means when you open the Telegram app, tap Start Messaging, and begin the sign-in process, you should enter your phone number, not your email address. This is one of the most common reasons people get stuck during login. If you're entering the correct phone number but still not getting a login code, start by checking your connection. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is turned on and working properly. If you're using a VPN, disable it for now, because it can sometimes interfere with Telegram's login process. After that, tap Resend code and give it a little time. It's best to wait at least 1 to 3 minutes instead of requesting the code repeatedly. Also, check your other devices. If you're already logged into Telegram somewhere else, the login code may be sent to your Telegram inbox on that device instead of by text message. Open Telegram there and look for a new message containing the code. If Telegram is asking for an email verification code, then the issue is likely related to two-step verification. Open your email inbox and search for words like Telegram or login code. If you don't see anything, check the spam or junk folder as well, because verification emails can sometimes end up there. If the email still doesn't arrive, use the Forgot Password option on the login screen and carefully follow the reset instructions. Another common issue is the too many attempts error. If that happens, the best fix is to stop trying for a while. Wait anywhere from 6 to 24 hours before attempting to log in again. After waiting, fully close the Telegram app and reopen it before trying once more. If the problem continues, update Telegram from your app store. Running an outdated version can sometimes cause login bugs. If updating doesn't help, uninstall the app, restart your phone, and then install Telegram again. For common issues, remember this: if you're not receiving the SMS code, use Wi-Fi, wait a minute or two, and try the Call Me Instead option if available. If the email code isn't arriving, check spam and make sure the email linked to the account is correct. And if the login keeps looping, clear the app cache or reinstall Telegram. Following these steps should help you get back into your account smoothly.